Hello, everybody. It's Fred Grunwald here, and I just want to do a real quick video on leveraged profit systems. This program right there, leveraged profit systems. If you want to take a look at the video, you can go right here to cashsensation.com. This is me right here if you want to call me or email me or text me. And I guess I'll show this off that I got in today. Everybody likes to show these when they're making this presentation. This is really what it's all about, is being able to make this kind of money. You can see it right there, I believe. $4,050 came in yesterday. Leverage profit systems. I've had a lot of $15,000 and $20,000 weeks. I've had a lot of $15,000 or $20,000 months. So I highly recommend this program. I've been in it for 4 years now, since 2019. This is the total amount of money that I've made in that time, which is a lot. So I highly recommend it. What you're looking at here is the back office, but I'm just going to talk a little bit about the program itself and why I recommend it so highly. I've been in money making programs for a long time. I started in 2001 and I've been doing it ever since. And I've been in many programs that lasted only for like 9 months or a year. I've been in a few that lasted multiple years, but not that many. And if you've ever made money in one of these programs for a while, it's nice. And then it dries up and you got to find something else. And I know there's a lot of people out there who haven't even made any money with these programs. And there's so many of them that I think the main reason that people don't make money is that they don't have anybody to show them how to do it. And I can't emphasize that enough, that unless you have someone to show you the ropes and show you a program where they are actually making money so that you can do what they're doing. I know most of the time you look at a program and you like it, you call the person that is going to be your sponsor and they say that they'll help you. You send in your money and then you can't get a hold of that person. They don't really want to help you. Once they get your money, you can't get in touch with them. And that is a very high percentage of all of results on all these kind of programs. There are very few people who look at the long term, and that's the way I've always looked at it. I thought if I help someone, they will come back, make a customer for life. And if you plan on doing this year after year, then you need to develop a reputation, because it's all you have in this business is your reputation and your word. And there are so many people that don't keep their word, that they put that reputation out there on everybody. They expect everybody to act like that, and there are some people that are honest and will take care of you, and I'm one of those. So here is the best program I've ever been in. The reason is that this is a program that does not saturate. This is called a big ticket program, and big ticket programs have been around for many, many years, and there are always enough people that come in looking for programs like this that you always have prospects. And so if you go to YouTube and you put in leveraged profit systems, or you put in my name, you're going to come up with a bunch of videos that I've done on this program. And a lot of those videos are going to show you, if I have one in here, they're going to show you, yeah, here's one right here. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I've got to, they're going to show you, you know, like this one, I had a $7,500 day. And that was just one sale at the 7,500 level. But, you know, they show you the money coming in, and after you see enough of them, you start to believe that it really can happen. So this is the most important part, one-on-one coaching. What I do is I use this program right here. It's called Quick Assist. It's part of Windows 11, which is right there. And you see it says Get Help or Help Someone. When you bring up Quick Assist on your computer, you are going to see this right here where it says security code from assistant. And then I get a security code by going over here and putting in my email address. And it's going to give me a code. And I'm going to give that code to you. You're going to put it in back on that window that says Get Help. And when you put it in, it's going to hook up to your screen. So I will be able to see your screen, and I'll be able to say, okay, you know, open up your Chrome or Edge and go to Leverage Profit Systems, and I'll be able to say click here and watch this and do that. And it's just an easy way to train you rather than trying to tell you over the phone without seeing what's on your screen, tell you what to do. It's just way too difficult, but this makes it a breeze. And I will actually, when your leads start coming in, the way that I recommend you start getting sales is to use the text blast. That's what I use. You can do a text blast for $197. It'll bring you in 30 to 60 leads. And what I mean by leads is actual people who have responded to the text and have gone to your website and watched. Actually, you can send them to your capture page. You'll get their email address, and they will watch the video and follow through with the system. After they watch the video, they have a way that they can request a callback from you. When you get your email notification that says you have a new message, that means that that person who called you, that the message they listened to when they called the number, told them to watch the video, read the whole website, decide what level they want to join at, and it tells them to make sure that they have the money to join. 95% of those notifications that you get turn into sales. And I've sold 148 of them, so I know. So what this is, you know, once you decide to get in, and there are, This is the website, by the way. Here are the levels: 500, 1500, 3500, 7500, and 11,000. These are the two most popular levels and the ones that I recommend that, well, if you can start at 11,000, more power to you. But everybody needs to have some money left over to do marketing with. So 500 doesn't have any upgrades, but if you start at the 1500 level, you will get an upgrade to 3500. If you start at the 3500 level, you'll get an upgrade to 7500, provided you order within 48 hours. There's a little bit of leeway on that. And right now, I have a special going that if you get in at 3,500, you'll get bumped to 7,500, and I will get you the rest of the way, all the way to the top. So that is a heck of a deal, and it opens up a whole bunch of flexibility for you. So that's something to think about. But beyond that, so many people join these programs, and once they get in, they don't know what they're going to do next. They get so excited watching the video that they don't know how they're going to market it. And that's the most important part. And that's why I have this one-on-one training. And that's why I do the Quick Assist. Quick Assist is our way to get you started. We'll set up your whole back office for you. We will get your autoresponder set up, your capture pages set up. We'll get a domain name for you, and we will get your phone number set up. You get an 800 link number. It's only $10 a month. So once you have that set up, and that only takes 20 minutes, then we'll order a text blast for you. And once you get the text blast, once it goes out, you'll start getting either sales or leads right away. I've had several people that the very first day, somebody called up and wanted to join at the 11,000 level. Actually, it was this young lady right here, her. I sponsored her in, I sponsored him in, one more, Mike. So, I encourage you to take a good look at this program, watch that video. I'll take you through how to build a business. And this is what I'm trying to make, the point I'm trying to make is that if you have somebody that's done it before that can show you how to do it, think of all the time that'll save you. Instead of you trying to figure it out yourself, instead of you going out and making mistakes because you went the wrong way and did the wrong thing, why not have somebody that's already done that and learned the lesson, show you what to do so that you don't have to learn those lessons. They can teach you and have you not make those mistakes. Leverage Profit Systems is the only big ticket program where you keep 100% of all of the sales that you make. It is not a 50-50. Let me find, I think I have in here. There are really only two main kinds of compensation plans for big ticket programs. They're one up or 50-50 split. And you don't want either one of those. A one up, you have to give up your first sale. You pay to join, and then your first sale you have to give that away. So, your sponsor gets paid twice before you can even earn your first commission. So, with LPS, and that's the reason that leverage profit systems is so popular, is that it's the only program where you keep 100% of every sale that you make. And you can make money through roll-ups. Like if you're in at 3,500, somebody joins at 7,500, you get the first $3,500, and then the remaining 4,000 would flow up to the next person in your upline that's qualified for it. So the level you join at sets the top amount of money that you can make. And of course, you can always upgrade. So the 50-50 split, that's even worse than a one-up, because what that means is that your sponsor will close the sales for you. And remember, I told you I'd close the sales, but I do it with you on a three-way call so that you can hear what's going on. They say what they're going to do is close the sale and send you half the money. In order to do that, you have to pay for marketing and have the leads sent to your sponsor. Which is all well and good if you can trust your sponsor 100%. But a lot of times what happens is they'll close some, keep the money, and not tell you about it. It's called lead poaching, and it happens all the time. So, you just have to look out for number one and make sure that you do your business in a smart and logical way. So that's what I bring to the party, is the instruction and the patience to show you where to start and what to do next. And I realize that you can't learn it in a week. It takes a couple months sometimes. Other people pick it up very quickly. It just kind of depends on your background. A lot of people are not real strong with computers, and that is the beauty of this Quick Assist program that will help you cut through all that red tape. So I appreciate you listening today. Give me a call, learn how to get these, and enjoy the rest of your Memorial Day weekend. Thank you.